Kristen. Today I'm going to be attempting a no mirror makeup challenge. So I've got absolutely no mirrors here at all, no reflective surfaces. I'm going to be trying to do my makeup using entirely muscle memory and then checking to see what it looks like when we're done. Alright, so I'm going to try and do a full face of makeup. The only mirror that I've got is one waiting under my chair to look at the makeup when we're finished so we can kind of assess the damage. So I'm going to go ahead and start with some foundation. I've got my Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation here in the shade Vanilla. I'm going to use a damp and stylish beauty blender like I normally would. So just going to do everything like normal except that I can't see it. It already feels very weird. I just know I'm gonna cover my eyebrows in foundation on accident. Okay, hopefully that looks okay. I think the strategy for the day is just to way overly blend everything and hope that it comes out not looking ridiculous. So now we're going to be going on to concealer. So I've got my Mary Kay Perfecting Concealer here. And this is the shade Light Ivory. Just like normal, I'm going to do just below my eyes. And again, same beauty blender. Gonna be skipping some steps here. Like, I'm not gonna try and bake this on because, let's be honest, I am definitely going to want to wash this off as soon as I'm done. I think the odds of it actually looking good are very, very slim. So why make it stay longer than it has to? Okay, hopefully I don't have that reverse raccoon look where I've got the white patches under my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and do contouring. So I've got a Smashbox contour palette here. And just gonna take a normal contour brush, start with my darkest color, and try and put it where I normally would, just under my cheekbones to start. Hopefully this isn't too dark. Trying to blend it out. Go down onto the jaw a little bit. Try and really blend. Okay, we'll go just a little bit up on the forehead. Trying to keep it nice and soft, but I may have brown lines on my face. And we'll go ahead and get the side of the nose just a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna go on to the bronzer color. So Kind of do that just above where we put it before. Okay, so now, since I can't see anything, I'm gonna take just kind of a big powder brush here and just kind of blend things. Hopefully make it look a little better. Okay, so now I'm going to get into our blushes. So I'm going to take this Pacifica little palette here, and this is the darker blush that I always use. So I'm just taking this little brush here, and I normally just do a little bit in the concaves of my cheeks there, kind of blend it down a bit. Just kind of accentuate that contour. Of course, it probably looks like rosy clown cheeks right now. Okay. And then the other blush we're going to be using is Mary Kay. This is the color Cherry Blossom. This one a little more liberal with. And then I normally use a lighter blush up on the peaks of my cheekbones, but that compact had a mirror in it that I didn't feel like covering. So I'm gonna just still use the Cherry Blossom up there and just try and go really light with it. But normally I use a much lighter color. Okay, and then again, I'm gonna take this brush, kind of blend it a bit. That probably looks way darker than my normal blush. All right, now on to the part that I'm really scared about, the eye makeup. So I'm using my Naked 2 palette. I know you're probably thinking that has a mirror in it. We have this lovely orange sticky notes that we're using to cover up the mirror. So don't worry, no cheating going on. So I'm gonna take this little crease brush here, and I'm going to start with our lightest color. Oh, this part feels really weird. I could very well be putting this all over my eyebrow right now. Okay, and then I normally take a little bit of this kind of light shimmery color and go just below the peak of the brow. Okay, then we're going to take this color Tease. It's going to be our transition colors. Doing something like this, we can use all the transition color that we can get to try and keep it looking at least somewhat soft. Trying to get this just in and a little bit above the crease of my eyelid and really blend it. Okay, hopefully that's at least somewhat blended. Really hard to tell. You don't realize how much you look at a mirror until you don't have one. Now I'm going to kind of start it on the darker corner colors. So I'm going to be using this kind of mid-tone brown and this darker brown here. So taking the lighter one, starting in the corners. no idea if that's in the right spot. That felt so wrong. Okay, hopefully that's at least somewhat right. I'm gonna take that darker brown now and go closer to the lash line with it. Hopefully we're blending the two browns. May just have a dark brown stripe above my eyelashes. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this shimmery color here and go closer to the center of the eyelids. Try and blend that brown and the shimmer together a little bit. Whew, okay. So now I'm going to use this kind of goldish shimmer color and then this more white silvery shimmer. So the gold one we're going to put in the very center, just right over where your pupils naturally are. And then take that lighter shimmery, the lighter silvery color, and go just on our inner corners here. Ooh. I so badly want to look in a mirror right now. I feel like I probably look insane. But now it's time for what I feel like is going to be the absolute worst part of this, which is eyeliner. So I'm going to be using this Eyeko London Skinny Liquid Liner. Not looking forward to it, but I made myself promise I would do it. So trying to feel with my fingers here a little bit where things, and on my fingernail. That's a really good sign. We're going to start by painting my nails with eyeliner. Keep going onto my eyelashes, I can feel it. Ah. All right, I know that's not good. That felt wrong. All of that felt wrong. Okay, I have a feeling that my eyelids are just covered in little black dots that are the farthest thing from a straight line you could possibly have. But guess we'll be finding out in a few minutes. So hopefully this eyeliner is a little bit easier. I always take an eyeliner pencil. This is CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus, and I do just a little bit on the bottom waterline. The goal here is just not to poke myself in the eye. Okay, probably darker than I normally do, but the eyes are intact, didn't poke myself, still have my vision, so that's about all we can ask for anymore. So now we're going to be moving on to mascara. So I've got my CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. Try and get those bottom lashes a little Okay, finally to the last step. We are gonna do some lipstick. And this is Mary Kay Rosewood, kind of a deep pink color. Okay. There's at least color everywhere. Not sure how the lining is gonna look there, but now comes the moment of truth. Pull up my mirror here. Oh man. Well, I missed an entire piece of my forehead right here with the foundation. There's a horrible line by my hair where it's not blended at all. A little rough around the nose. Definitely missed this part of the nose. There's a large glob of eyeliner there. I don't even want to talk about the eyeliner. It's, ooh, oh, it's bad. I do not have a future as a mirrorless makeup artist. Yeah, there's no foundation here. I'm not too upset with the eyeshadow. It's not as blended as I would normally do, but considering I couldn't see it, I'm okay with it. Lipstick, pretty wonky down on this line. Mascara's not too bad. That's a pretty low bar, and the mascara's the best part, but that's where we're at. So yeah, I have a newfound appreciation for mirrors, and they will not be something that'll be leaving my makeup routine anytime soon. But hopefully watching me absolutely fail at putting on makeup without using any mirrors was at least entertaining for you. So if you liked this video, please make sure that you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.